welcome to my cooking channel on YouTube. Today I'm so excited to share with you a delicious recipe that's easy to make and perfect for any occasion. If you're looking for a healthy snack or appetizer, then you have to try making hummus. And it can be paired with my homemade pita bread for an even more enjoyable experience. Let's do it! To make the pita bread dough, add yeast, salt and sugar into flour and mix them together. Add water and olive oil to the flour mixture and bring the dough together. Wrap the dough with plastic and let it rest for 10 minutes. After letting it rest for 10 minutes, transfer the dough onto your work surface and knead it for 2 minutes. Shape it into a bowl and put it back into the bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic and let the dough rise for an hour. The dough will double in size. Deflate the dough and divide it into 4 pieces. Shape each piece into a ball and let them rest for 10 minutes. Using a rolling pin, roll out each dough into a circle about 15 cm wide. Cover them with plastic and let them rest for another 10 minutes. Heat a curd pan over high heat and place the first pita on it. Wait until bubbles appear all over the dough. Then flip it and bake it for 20 seconds. To make hummus, add chickpeas, lemon juice, olive oil, water, and minced garlic into the food processor and blend them finely. Once the chickpea mixture is smooth and creamy, add the tahini and cumin powder. Continue blending until the hummus is silky and soft. Season it to your taste. Transfer it into a bowl and keep it refrigerated. To make grilled vegetables, chop them into small chunks and toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Preheat a grill pan over high heat, add the vegetables and grill them until they are tender and charred. To plate hummus, start by spreading it in a circular or oval pattern on a flat plate. Use back of a spoon to create a well in the center of the hummus. Add the grilled vegetables on the other side of the plate. Cut pita bread in half and place them in a corner of the plate. Drizzle olive oil over the hummus and sprinkle with paprika or sumac. To add a finishing touch, garnish the grilled vegetables with some cilantro leaves. It's time to try.